This is a 1933 Ford Sedan, 350 cubic inch, 350 trans. It came in for some major upgrades. We installed a Dan Fink front grille, a Matson custom radiator, an Eddy Motorsport serpentine belt system, an Edelbrock 650 CFM carburetor, an MSD complete ignition system, a vintage air conditioning system, electric power steering with an I Did It tilt wheel, Dakota digital gauges, custom dash panels, an Alden four-wheel custom shocks, a retro sound custom stereo, and of course power assisted disc brakes was the final add-on.